Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What is the Difference Between Design Build and General Contracting for Kitchens? All right, folks, let's dive into the world of kitchen renovations, where dreams of late night snacks and Sunday brunches can become a reality. When you're ready to transform your culinary kingdom, you'll face the choice between design build and general contracting. So, what's the difference, you ask? Let's break it down like a good omelet. First up, design build. Think of it as the one-stop shop for your entire project. It's like ordering a meal where the chef handles everything from appetizer to dessert. Design build firms take on the entire process, seamlessly integrating design and construction under one roof. You get a single contract, one team, and unified communication, like a symphony where every instrument works in harmony. It's efficient, cohesive, and, dare I say, stress-reducing. With design build, you're less likely to play referee between designer and contractor. Everyone's already on the same page, and fewer cooks means less drama in the kitchen. You can expect a streamlined process that keeps headaches at bay and ideas on the table. Now, let's talk general contracting. Picture it as assembling a playlist where you handpick every song and musician. The homeowner typically hires a designer and a contractor separately, creating two primary entities that work together, but sometimes not in perfect harmony. General contracting gives you the flexibility to choose your own designer and contractor, like customizing a pizza down to every topping. But with great choice comes great responsibility. You may face more communication challenges and coordination breakdowns, particularly if you're the one catching all the "when is this happening?" curveballs. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Understanding the pros and cons of each approach is key. General contracting might offer more personal control, but design build streamlines project management with a unified team that keeps things flowing. Keep in mind that cost factors into your decision as well. The design build model could offer more accurate cost assessments up front, helping you adhere to budget with fewer surprises. With general contracting, clearer budgets rely on careful coordination and transparent discussions among all parties. At the end of the day, choosing between design build and general contracting boils down to personal preference and project complexity. Whether you prefer a smooth, integrated solution with design build or relish in taking an active role with general contracting, it's about making the choice that aligns with your vision. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.